are you doing? I've got my Be Happy mug and I am just drinking some nice hot tea
out on this cold, blustery day.
It is 21 out, real feel of 8, and wind is like 20 miles an hour. So it was not a day to go outside. So I thought I'd bring spring to me since it's deciding to do what it always does and pretend it's coming, and then winter strikes back. I am inside though. I've been stuck inside for a week pretty much because it has been raining nonstop. And then today it was beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I wanted to go outside so bad.
Instead, I stayed in and got the house decorated.
Should be fun to watch, just some cute little things I do. I like to decorate for every season just because it makes me feel good. I like looking at different stuff instead of looking at the same things over and over. And, you know, it's a good way to just kind of revamp your house without you having to completely redo it, in my opinion. But, you know, everyone to their own, or everyone to, yeah, however that goes.
So I always do a lot of fake flowers in all of my vases or anything like that. I love decorating with pine cones as well. I'm actually hoping to gather some pine cones up this year from outside and cut and then paint them to look like a bouquet. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that on Pinterest, but they look super adorable. For the most part, I try to keep my walls pretty bare. I don't have a lot on them. I do have a couple more hexagon-shaped picture frames that I got from the Dollar Tree that I would like to put up on my wall. I just not sure exactly where to put them yet. Here, I have a bunch of wires just from hiding the modem for our internet and all of that. So I do that with picture frames. And then I also got 2 pictures from the Dollar Tree, and then I just painted over them to make a triangle cool shape, which I've actually been able to get a lot of use out of them for hiding different things here and there. What kind of techniques or items do you guys use to hide wires and all the stuff that no one wants to see? So when we did the inside of this house and put these cabinets up, George installed a plug at the top and a switch at the bottom so that I could plug in some Christmas lights. Unfortunately, they are burned out right now, so I need some more. When we originally did the inside of this house, we did manage to remember the wire for plugging in the TV. However, we didn't think about all the wires to connect the sound bar or any extras like the switch or a DVD player. So now I have a bunch of wires hanging down. I'm still trying to figure out a way that I could somewhat hide those without it obstructing the TV view. This birdhouse is definitely one of my favorite decoration pieces in the house. I love decorating it with different scenes for every season. All right, y'all, if you decorate for the seasons, share some photos with me. Until next time, go out, do, and grow something you love today.